Guiyang, Guizhou is the capital of Guizhou Province of the People's Republic of China. It is located in the center of the province, situated on the east of the Yunnan-Guizhou Plateau, and on the north bank of the Nunming River, a branch of the Wu River. The city has an elevation of about 1,100 meters. It has an area of 8,034 square kilometers. At the 2010 census, its population was 4,324,561, out of whom 3,037,159 lived in the 7 urban districts. A city with humid subtropical climate, Guiyang is surrounded by mountains and forest. The area, inhabited since at least the spring and autumn period, formerly became the capital of the surrounding province in 1413. During the Yuan dynasty, the city is home to a large Miao and Buyei ethnic minority population. Guiyang has a diversified economy, traditionally a center for aluminum production, phosphate mining, and optical instrument manufacturing. However, following reforms, the majority of the city's economic output in the services sector. Since 2015, it has seen targeted investments into big data and quickly emerged as a local innovation hub. Guiyang is one of the top 500 science cities in the world by scientific research outputs, as tracked by the Nature Index. The city is also home to Guizhou University, a national research university under the Project 211 and under the double first-class status in certain disciplines. The valley approximating present-day Guiyang has been inhabited since the spring and autumn period. Guiyang was a 7th century military outpost under the Sui and Tang. When the area around it was known as Zhuzhou, it grew into a city named Xunyang under the Mongolian Yuan dynasty sometime between their 1279 southwestern campaigns and 1283. By the time Guizhou became a full province in 1413, its capital at Guiyang was also known as Guizhou. It became a prefectural seat under the Ming and Qing. Guiyang grew rapidly during the development of the southwest that occurred after the Japanese invasion of China during World War II. It has also grown rapidly since Deng Xiaoping's economic reforms reached it in the 1990s. The city's heart is around the Dashizi, Big Cross, and Penshuichi, a traffic intersection, in the center of which there was a large fountain until early 2010, when it was paved over for better traffic. Guiyang has a 4-season, monsoon-influenced humid subtropical climate in January to 23.0 degrees Celsius in July, while the annual mean is 14.55 degrees Celsius. Rain is common throughout the year, with occasional flurries in winter, with monthly % possible sunshine ranging from 12% in January to 41% in August. The city receives only 1,150 hours of sunshine, making it one of China's least sunny major cities. Average monthly relative humidity is consistently above 75% throughout the year. The moderate temperature, together with other factors including air quality, wind speed, etc., made Guiyang to be ranked number 2 in the top 10 summer capitals of China. The entire Guiyang municipality currently consists of 6 districts, 1 county-level city and 3 counties. The districts are Nunming, Yunnan, Wuxi, Wudang, Baiyun and Guanshanhu. The county city is Qingzhen and the counties are Kayang, Zifeng and Zhuvan. The Guiyang New District, a non-administrative economic project, is situated to the southwest of Guiyang. It crosses over into areas under the jurisdiction of the neighboring city of Anshun. Guiyang is the economic and commercial hub of Guizhou Province. In 2017, GDP for the Guiyang region totaled 353.8 billion yuan, with per capita GDP of 74,493 yuan. Waguoyong Shopping Center and Nangawa Jing hydroelectric power generators are located along the city's main rivers, including the Wu River. By 2007, the city's hydroelectric plants supplied over 70% of the city's electricity. Coal is mined in the locality of Guiyang and Anshun, and there are large thermal generating plants at Guiyang and Duyun, supplying electricity for a portion of the city's industry. A large iron and steel plant came into production in Guiyang in 1960, supplying the local machinery manufacturing industry. Guiyang has a sizable domestic pharmaceuticals industry, producing traditional Chinese as well as Western medicines. Guiyang has also completed the first stage of city-wide free Wi-Fi. In 2016, Guiyang was named as the best-performing city in China by the Milken Institute owing to the city's growth in jobs, wages, gross domestic product. Guizhou Province saw the third fastest growth among China's 31 regional districts in the first half of the year, growing by 10.5%. This growth is attributed to Guiyang's investments in computing and big data. Due to tax incentives and state support, multinational corporations such as Foxconn, Microsoft, Huawei, Hyundai Motor, Tencent, Qualcomm and Alibaba have opened offices in Guiyang. Guiyang is populated by 23 different minorities, the most populous of which is the Miao people. In addition to the ethnic Ha,